So before going further, I'm going to implement this clear section. When this click, then we have to clean all this image. Okay, so I'm going to make a clear function here, which will be const clear, and again it will be an arrow function. Very simple. We have to set image here, set image to null, and set completed crop to null, and aspect ratio to again 9/16. Okay, and this clear function will be called on our second button. Yeah, so let me check. Selected the image and crop. Okay, so it is working as expected. So now I'm going to work on showing the preview of the image, and to show the preview of the image we need a canvas. I'm going to create a canvas here, canvas. So this canvas will be used to show the preview of the image. Okay, I'm going to add some basic function here. Class name width will be 100% and height will be auto, or height will be a 75%. And interact with this canvas, we need one more ref here. So it will be canvas ref and use ref, and this canvas ref will be assigned to here. Sorry, this will be a ref. Okay, so whenever we do changes in the crop of our image, we have to re-render the image in the canvas. So we have to use effect here to monitor every changes, and it has only one dependency, that will be a completed crop. So we have to create use effect. So let me first import this use effect here, and I'm going to use snippet to generate our effect. And there will be no return, no cleanup right now, and one dependency will be a completed crop. Whenever this completed crop has been changed, then we are going to trigger our use effect, and this use effect will be used to show the preview. Okay, so let's go implement this use effect section here. So first of all, I have to check if not completed crop, and if we do not have any loaded image, then it means nothing has been changed, and we have to return it from. Okay, so to draw, before going to draw anything on the UI, I want to explain something related to canvas. So we have our canvas rendering context here, and we are going to use this canvas context and to draw the image. Okay, and to draw the image, we have a three type of methods here. Okay, the first method is a draw image. It accepts the image which you want to draw, and the destination x-axis, like from which axis, x-axis, and from which y-axis you want to draw. If you see the image, you will understand the dx and the dy, and the dy is measured from the top to bottom, not from the bottom to top. And the second method is this one. So it accepts two more parameter, d width and d height. This will be the d width, and this will be the d height. D height means destination width and destination height actually. So this will be the source, this will be the destination. Third function is image, source x and source y, source x axis and source y, and the source height will be the source height and source width, and the same will be accept dx, dy, d width and d height. This is the same from the previous one, but we have this this thing extra here. Okay, so we have to use this one, draw image, because we have to first we have to first calculate our dx from here to here and dy from here to here. After that we will extract this width and this height, okay, and we will use this to draw on our canvas. Okay, so on our canvas this will be our starting point for x-axis and y-axis. It means it will be a 0 0. Okay, so let me write a code, then it will be more easier to understand. Okay, so first of all we have to get our image here. Okay, so this will be our image which we get from our canvas, sorry, our react image crop. Okay, and we are going to also create a const crop, and that will be a completed crop. Okay, and I have to get scaling parameter of x-axis, and this should be our rc image dot natural width. There is a function, there is a method here, there is an attribute here which will return a natural width, natural width, and rc score image, copy this, dot width. Okay, similarly I'm going to a scaling of y-axis, and this will, instead of natural width, it will be natural height, and this will be height. Okay, so canvas instance canvas, and this canvas will be canvas ref dot current. So let me keep it there. Okay, now I have to get the pixel ratio. Device pixel ratio is the ratio of the resolution in physical pixel and css pixel, like the pixel of the screen and how it going to be represented in the css parameter. Okay, so we also need to find to actually calculate the width and height of the destination image. Okay, the source image and the destination image. Okay, so let me create. So this all method has been explained in this documentation. If you follow in this documentation, then you will get the what we're trying to do. Okay, so then const canvas, we have to the pixel ratio, and this pixel ratio will be the window dot device pixel ratio. Now we have to calculate our destination image width and destination image height. I'm going to use destination image width, and this will be the crop width, how much we have cropped the width into scale x and into the pixel ratio. Well, scale x will be fine, and similarly image height, this will be the y-axis and this will be the height. Okay, so finally we have calculated our destination image and destination destination image width and destination image height. This will be our canvas width, will be our destination image width into the pixel ratio. Okay, and similarly canvas dot height will be the destination image height into pixel ratio. Okay, so this is the destination image width and height, and this will be the canvas width and height, where we have multiply the destination image width by the pixel ratio, because we have to represent this width into a css width and height property. Okay, so that's why we need this pixel ratio to actually calculate the width and height of the canvas where we are going to see this show this image. Okay, so now we have set the canvas height and width. Now let's create the context object, which I have like tried to explain here. So we need to get this context of the canvas, and for that we are going to use const, and this will be canvas dot get context to. Okay, so by this way we get the context. Now we are going to set the transformation. So the pixel ratio, 0, pixel ratio 0. So there will be like no transformation yet, and I'm going to set the image quality. This should be a large, and to get it in like actually work, we also have to set image smoothing enabled. Final step, we have to draw our image. Draw image. Okay. First of all, we have to pass our image. This is the image which we have processed, and then we have a crop x-axis and crop y-axis. Okay, so this is our source, d image width and d image height. Okay, 0, and the height and width will be the same, which we have processed already. Okay, that's it. So now our image should be drawn on the UI. Okay, there is an error. CTX is dull. Let me check. Instead of 2D, this should be a 2D. And let's see. Now what we got. Transformation is not a function. Okay, sorry, this should be a transform actually. Now let's see. Transform. Yes. So this is okay. This is not as expected. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add a scale. This should be a scale X, and this should be a scale. Now let's see. Yeah, see, so this is working as we have expected. Okay, we have to fix this download. When we click on this download, it should be, this image should be downloaded, and when we click on this X, so this canvas should also be cleared. Okay, so we will now going to add these two functionality. So to download, first we are going to add some condition to make it disabled first. It will be disabled until we have a cropped image. Deleted crop dot width or not completed crop dot height. Okay, and when this download button is clicked, we are going to trigger some function, and let call it download image. Now it's time to implement this download image, and this download image cons download image. Okay, so first of all we will check we do not have completed crop, or we do not have canvas ref dot current, then return. Okay, after that there is some function in the library react crop, canvas ref dot current dot to blob, integrate the blob. Okay, so here we will write our logic to download, and the second parameter will be the type of the content type, image content type, and the okay. So for this we have to create a URL, and that URL will be clicked, and by that means it will be downloaded. So we are going to create a preview URL, and window dot URL dot create object URL, and this object URL we will pass our blob. Okay, then create an anchor document dot create element, and that element will be a link type. Now anchor dot download, and this will be the crop preview dot png. Now anchor dot href will be the URL dot create object URL, and create object URL will be the blob. Now anchor dot click, now window dot URL dot evoke object URL. Okay, and here I will pass this preview URL. So let's see what we get here. So currently this is disabled. Now when we select an image, okay, it is still disabled. Now when we do our first crop, then it enabled. Now we are going to click on download. Hope so it should download the image. Okay, yeah, see here we have our download pop-up. Here we have downloaded. Now you can check from the download image. So this is the image which we have just cropped. Okay, so yeah, so this is done. Now we are going to implement this close function. When we click on this, then this image has been removed, but this canvas is still showing this image. Okay, so now we have also to remove this one. So to clear the image, we have this clear function. So we are going to add something here. So we'll const canvas, and that will be canvas ref dot current canvas, const context. It will be again the same context which we have created here. So let me just copy from here, and I will add this here, and context dot, and then we will do clear react. There is a clear react function which we are going to use 0, 0, and then canvas dot width and canvas dot height. Okay, so this will clear our screen, and then later we can also reset the value of canvas canvas ref dot current equals to null. Okay, so I hope so this will clear our screen. So let me try this. Okay, it throw an error. Clear react is not a function. React is clear rect. Clear rect. Now let me try once again. I'm just going to crop this line here. This image has been downloaded. Okay, and now I'm going to clear this. Okay, so this worked as expected. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.